This is my exam mini video number 3. What is meiosis? Meiosis is the process by which gamete-producing cells divide to produce 4 mitotic products, each of which have half of the original chromosome number. This often involves the crossing over of chromosomes during the synapsis, which then increases the genetic variation. So first off, we're going to look at a crossover between these two chromosomes. And as you can see, I have the crossing over located on the centromere in between the J and K. While I know it is rare to have it over the centromere, that is how I chose to portray this example. And so the 4 chromatids formed are these 4, and we would like to know if they are viable. And in order for a chromatid to be viable, it cannot have any duplications or any deletions of the loci. So it has to have every single letter, and it cannot have 2 and they cannot have any missing. And so yes, this first one is viable. The next chromatid has 2 M's, so that is a duplication, and it is missing an H and a G. And so no, that's not viable. This next one is viable because it has all of them. And the last one has 2 G's and 2 H's, which automatically makes it unviable. So next we're going to have a cross between the chromosomes. And I have also again put it on the centromere, the crossing over, and I know this is rare, but that's how I chose to show it. And so the chromatids formed are these 4. And we know because the loci can kind of float around and flip as needed, we know that that is the same thing as this. And so now we would like to know if they are viable. And they are all 4 the same, and they all have every single letter and the centromere, and they do not have any duplications or deletions, and so they are all 4 viable. Is there a difference in fitness? And the answer to that is yes, and that is because this cross on the left produced 4 out of 4 viable chromatids, while this over here on the right only produced 2 out of 4 viable chromatids. So the chromatids on the left are a lot more likely to survive and be able to reproduce, making them more fit.